Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we are here with another unboxing of another true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So you might be wondering why am I posting so many unboxing and reviews of the earbuds. The reason for that is I'm trying to find out what is the best value for money earbuds. There's a lot out there, right? There's Bose, there's noise. So I just want to find out which is the best one, which provides the best quality sound, so that you guys can safely go and buy those. Um, I'll be doing the comparison also. I recently did the unboxing of this one, the Noise Earbuds Mini, the Bose 131. I'll be doing the full comparison video with this. This is the Bose 141. So stay tuned for that. The truth will come out soon. And for today, we'll be doing the unboxing of this one. This is the Lenovo HT38. Looks very similar to the AirPod 2, the Model 2. And let's see what's around the box. Very I would say very plain and very boring box packaging. There's no color, just white and blue. It reminds me of the HP packaging is quite boring. So comfortable, lightweight portability, half in ear, comfortable to wear, touch control, easy to use. All right, turning it around, white. All right, this side, what is it? True wireless HT30, the branding of that, and some icons here. Mobile phone, a briefcase, lightweight, battery. All right, coming to the back. True wireless, okay, comfortable. We saw all this before. All right, Bluetooth version is version 5.0, not the latest one. The latest one is I think 5.2. Battery capacity 30 mAh. All right, charging case is 250 mAh. That is quite. This is the lowest of the ones we saw. All the others were 300 or even more than that. Play time is approximately 3 hours. Again, that is low, but yeah, it's okay. You can hear. Anyways, no one listens to music continuously for 3 hours unless you're watching a very long movie. So there will be a problem there. Speaker drivers is 13 mm. It's okay in the medium. Usually the Bose and the rest of the things have the speaker drivers are from 8 mm, 10 mm. The largest one I think I saw in the Noise AirPods Mini, that is the 14.5 mm. This is somewhere in between. Speaker sensitivity, alright, we don't want to go to that. Frequency, who cares, right? It has to just sound nice. We don't care about all these things. Distance is 10 meter barrier free. That's quite nice method. Half year. Alright. Manufactured in Beijing, made in China. Alright. Let's see what's the cost of this. Is made in China, made in China. The MRP of this is 5,499, but you can get this for around 2,000. I got this for around 1,000 something. You have to keep an eye out when it's in discounted price in Flipkart and Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of that. Plastic everywhere. We have to be responsible how we throw the plastic. Okay. Oops. I really don't want to tear this up. Okay. Plastic. Okay. Not a very good first impression. We have the cable here. That's the okay. Thank God they are providing USB-C cable. And this is how it looks. No branding here. Just a generic cable. And it's weird. They have shipped it separately. Usually the other ones they are usually inside the box, but they have some things to cover up the charging pins. So anyways, round. So this is different. Let me take this out. That's different. This is the round one. Usually we have the square ones and quite small, I would say, one of the smallest. So we have the Lenovo branding here. There's a single LED here. It's green right now. So when the charge is less, it will turn red, I think. So this is actually, this color is copied from the AirPods. They also have the green one. The rest of they copy, like the other companies make it blue, like it's their own preference. But I actually preferred the ones which have multiple LEDs, 3 or 4, like the Boats have. That way you can actually see the level of your battery in there. But yeah, so what to do. Alright, this is the USB-C at the bottom. The plastic quality is okay, not as premium as the AirPods, but yeah, of course you can't expect that, right? Those costs 10 times more than this. So in the back there is something written here, Lenovo TWS earbuds. So these are real TWS, model is HT30, input is 5 volt. Alright, there's a button here. If we press that, yeah, this will glow. Alright, and the charging port there. Alright, let's see the earbuds now, the actual earbuds. Let me bring this out. Okay, this actually looks like a total clone of the AirPods 2, and they're not as many sensors as the earbuds. If you remember, the AirPods have one sensor here, one sensor here. They're keeping it clean, they're keeping it within budget reasonable. They have to be careful of their price. So metal mesh here, metal mesh here, and there is something like meshy here, but this is not the touch sensor. Here the touch sensor is in the side. So again, they try to copy the AirPods. In the AirPods they have this squeeze functionality, so this does not have the squeeze. This is just a touch sensor here. And this is the charging. This quite different. The charging is not in the shape of pins, but two strips of metal like this. And let me put it inside. So we have an LED here, it's glowing red, so that means it's charging. And we have magnet here, quite strong magnet, does the job well, and it's satisfying, right? Okay, looks nice. Looks cute. So that's it for today, guys. As I said, I'll be doing the comparison videos of all of this very soon. I'll be doing the review of this, a thorough review of this one here very soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.